Hello guys, in this video I want to share with you guys basically CPA marketing and affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're new here, welcome. And this is how you guys can make like $5,000 per day. As you can see right here, this is basically $2,000 per day. I'm only 13 days into the month here, and anyone could do this, guys. Anyone could do this. Okay, it's halfway through the day so far. This right here, this is max bounty. This is $3,000 to $4,000 per day. So basically, I'm around just with these two income streams. That's $5,000 per day, and that's insane, you know. Um, and for anyone out there, it's insane. Okay, and the money I'm dealing with, I don't know what to do with it. Okay, I have plans, but mostly all my money goes to savings. Okay, that I make and I'm just saving up for big, big things. Okay. And you could do the same thing. You could do real estate, all this stuff. You could invest in crypto. I have crypto investments as well. Uh, and I could show you. Let me see if I could show you it. Here's some crypto investments. This is Coinbase portfolio. That's $5,000. I mean, $50,000 right there. But the thing is, guys, like CPA marketing, you can crush it with. And I'm only using the best platforms you could possibly use. So Max Bounty is one of them right here. This is Max Bounty. They got a ton of offers. It's how you promote the offers that's powerful. And I will go over that inside this video, guys. And also, Crack Revenue is one of the top platforms out there. This is for adult offers specifically, but you can crush it with any platform out there. You can crush it with ClickBank. Everything I'm going to teach in this video applies 100%. Like for anybody. You don't have to be some marketing genius or anything. Like there are fundamentals and then there's secrets. And I can tell you right now, I do use secrets to this world in my marketing and in-depth psychology stuff. But at the end of the day, anyone could do this. I'm going to share with you for a beginner how you could do this. Like this right here, this is paid ads. Okay, this is 2 to 3x to 5x sometimes on my ads. Okay, per day. And I'm not spending a lot of money right now, okay, in my ads. I'm not scaling like an insane person. I'm doing consistent income every single day. Anyone can do this, guys. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys how you could do this in this video. Let's dive right in. Alrighty, guys, welcome to this part of the video. Basically, CPA marketing for beginners here. All you got to do to like start making money with CPA marketing, which is, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to make money in all of marketing or any method out there. CPA marketing is the easiest, okay? You don't have to sell anything, all right? You literally, all you got to do is just get people to basically do an action. All you got to do is just give their email in exchange for, you get paid, basically, okay? So you send traffic, they become a lead for another business, super easy, through your link. And then you just get paid all the way from $1 all the way to $5 per freaking email that you get. And the more volume you're dealing with, like I have a massive YouTube channel I built up over time. You could do the same thing. That's for Max Bounty results. And you basically can have landing pages, offer walls, build your own email list, stuff like this, and just link to it down below. But there's tricks to how you do it. You just got to let people know about it. You got to make sure it's available to the brain, available to be seen to them, and make sure they're aware it's there and that they could basically convert on the offer. And you don't just have to promote, lead gen offers. You can also do pay-per-sale offers. Okay, pay-per-sale offers, they basically, it's the same thing. Every single time someone clicks your link and then does an action, you get paid. This time they just pay. Okay, so there's a lot of traffic sources you guys can do. There's a lot of traffic sources you guys can do. You could do Facebook ads. They're a little bit strict. You could do definitely adult ads. They're not strict at all. There's tons of volume and you'll never get banned, stuff like this. And they're the cheapest in the world. And then you could definitely do YouTube and grow that over time. Just with this channel alone, like I won't even run ads to it most likely until I have at least 500 videos. That's the way I see YouTube. When you have a bunch of videos interlinking to each other in a niche, it depends on the niche too. Like what's the size of the niche, Is it entertainment? Like my other huge channel, I'll never like give it away. I'll never share what it is, okay? I don't even show my face on it. And basically on that channel, I've got thousands of videos, okay, that all link to each other. They all get views every day and they're all linking to CPA offers. You do the same thing, guys. So what you do, go on Max Bounty, go on Crack Revenue. You could do Crack Revenue offers, which are adult offers. You could do them and promote them on literally social media websites, okay? You may not think you can, but all you have to do is just have a bridge page in between them. That's it. That's all. You could even have an opt-in page if you really want to in between them. You definitely need to have an opt-in page if you do adult marketing offers on social media platforms. You got to have an opt-in page to hide that you're doing adult marketing or whatever, because they won't approve it otherwise if you just do a bridge page. But the thing is, all you got to do, guys, and really, like, at the end of the day, it's like pick a niche or vertical in general. I recommend pick offers that are high converting and like people desire. Maybe even problem solving offers really do well, okay? Problem solving offers. Basically promote those offers and you will see a lot of results, okay? Because you pick a freaking niche and vertical that, you know, will convert for you, okay? After that, once you have that niche picked out and everything, now start picking out just offers you see as good. That's all it really takes. Pick offers that you see as good. You could ask your affiliate manager. You could even look at the EPC, the earnings per click of these offers, okay? And by the way, it's free to sign up for CPA network and everything like this. It's totally free. And then all you've got to do, okay, is just start running traffic every day. That's all you got to focus on, guys. You just got to run traffic, run traffic, run traffic. And the more traffic you send, the more money you're going to make, okay, in proportion. There's ways to increase conversion rates, and that helps a lot. But at the end of the day, when both go hand in hand, a lot of traffic, okay, and high converting offers and funnels and everything, you'll crush it. You'll make a lot of money. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now, okay, with all my different marketing. And I only have time to maintain what I'm doing right now. I need to grow teams, okay? And as for you, I don't know if you have teams already. I don't know if you don't even know CPA marketing fully yet. But what I'm saying is, like, you could just put in simple actions every day. Once you have a vertical, you can grow it. And all you got to do every day is focus on the traffic generation. You know, you could do YouTube, you could do Instagram, you could do Facebook, or you could just do one or the other. You could just do TikTok. TikTok's a very interesting platform. I could talk more about that, but that'll be irrelevant in the future, most likely. Maybe, who knows? You know, I see YouTube as being around forever, and it's a very good bet. Okay, they've got a lot of assets on their channel. Okay, just like Netflix has their own videos, like they're not going anywhere. Okay. And that's their unique proposition, is they have their own content. But anyway, if you do and leverage the biggest traffic sources in the world and you do free and paid ads, I could see you having results very fast, okay? You don't need to be some genius, like I said, but there are secrets to this world, and I share that inside paid programs and for free on this channel. And I share with you guys methods that can make you money right now that are totally free methods. You can check out the rest of the channel to see them. I recommend binge watch every video, and you can basically pick at my brain and understand what I'm doing here, guys, that you can crush it. You know, there are secrets to this world, and then there are simple strategies to this world that can get you started. Okay, so I recommend take action on these simple things I'm sharing with you in this video. Just get traffic, pick a vertical, pick some offers, and sign up for a freaking CPA platform first, or affiliate platform. Start promoting these offers, guys, 24/7 every day, and don't give up. And you will see conversions come in. It's that simple. It really is. If you want to go more advanced with the funnels, you can upgrade over time. You can level up just like a video game, okay? So thank you so much for watching Learning Machines. Check out links down below. If you want any more value from me, check out links down below. And peace out, Learning Machines.